Good morning. I have some errands to run. I need to go to the grocery store and pick up my groceries, and I need to go to Dollar Tree and pick up some supplies for my novel inventory, and even just because I love Dollar Tree. So gonna check out what they have. I don't know how much I'm gonna actually be filming, but while I'm out, just because I don't really know actually. I may not. I guess it's just based off of my mood. And the plan for today, other than those two things, is going to be to work on my novel inventory a little bit more. Here is Loxy. She says hello. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and head out and get those two items done. I do know that I also still wanna go to Sam Moon's and get hoops, but I don't know that it's gonna be today. And but a new thing that I wanna do is go to like TJ Maxx or Ross or something and look for workout tops. I just do not have that many workout tops for kind of like a colder weather, so I want to go look for some of that. And yep, okay, so I'm gonna head off. First stop is gonna be Dollar Tree. Okay, so see, this is what I was talking about. They have these prints on so much. They have the boxes, look at that. They have tablecloth, lanterns. Here are the gift sacks, but I have some of these. Like, it's just crazy. So this is all, ooh, look at this. Is that new? Maybe I should do like an Easter candy haul. What do you guys think? Interesting, like there's a lot. And unfortunately, this next clip is me at Walmart waiting for my groceries. I'm sorry I couldn't keep filming in there. I got so distracted by so many things that are new. I'm very excited. The person's bringing out my groceries, so I'll check back in a minute.
Sabrita.
Hi, Sabrata.
So, Irina, Sabrata, let us know how we're doing.
Oh, survey? Okay.
Survey. So,
Okay.
you know where survey are, right? When
Yes.
So, before you sign, receipt still pending. Soon you sign, receipt processing.
Okay.
On very bottom, receipt. Not on original email where you check all your substitution or blah, 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 you know.
Okay.
But on
The
receipt.
Okay.
They have link to survey.
Okay.
So, they do now 1 second survey. Just one click, it's it, done.
Okay.
Just let us know how we're doing.
Arina Sabrata. Okay, got it. Thank you.
So, thank you.
She's training someone. How sweet. She's doing such a good job. Anyway, yeah, so they're gonna fill up the groceries in the back, and then we're gonna head home and drop all of this off. And then I may even go to a second Dollar Tree today just because I was so distracted and I was getting a lot, and I tend to get like a little bit of not anxiety but like anxiousness checking out a lot of stuff, because I feel like people that check out behind you that have like 2 items are just like, oh my god. But at the end of the day, like there's not a limit obviously to how much you can check out, but I just still feel that way. So I kind of like cut my trip short, and I think I'm gonna go to another Dollar Tree and get some more stuff. We're back home, so I'm going to take you through a quick little grocery haul because I do have other things that I need to get done today. So I got the usual mocha fraps. My daughter likes these. And I got some broccoli florets. I love to cut up green, red, and yellow bell peppers, and then some broccoli, sprinkle olive oil, salt, and pepper, and then broil them in the oven. It's so delicious. I got some of my new favorite ice creams. These are the Magnum double caramels. So I got 2 boxes of those, some whole milk, some pickles, some sliced mild cheddar cheese in the white. I got my Chobani drinkable yogurts. They're strawberry and banana. I get these all the time if you have never watched one of my grocery hauls before. Our favorite biscuits are the honey butter flaky biscuits. They have to be flaky. I don't like the original biscuit ones. So I got 2 of those, and I got some orange rolls. It's been a while, but I want to make these this weekend and have some like coffee. This is just really good with coffee, so I like that. And then we like the Great Value plain vanilla and chocolate. These are really delicious. I don't know what the heck they put in these things, but they're good. Some asparagus, blueberries, 1 avocado. I just get 1 at a time because these are really for my daughter, and I have to kind of like make her avocado toast. Not have to, that came out weird, but that's what we use these for avocado toast. Why was there an L in there? Avocado toast. And so I just get 1 at a time because I've learned if I get too many, they go bad and we don't end up using them. And blackberry, strawberries, 2 eggs. We make a lot of eggs and I use them for also cooking as well. I got some of the Venus tropical razors. I needed some more deodorant, Secret. And then croissants are for my daughter, breakfast ham, egg, and cheese croissants. This is for pasta salads, making those again for my daughter. This is just another backup pair, not backup pair, but just more. Some bread. I have the same thing pretty much every day for lunch. Bread with a turkey sandwich and that cheese you just saw. And I have the jalapeno cheddars, but I'll get to that. Some bananas, Nature Valley Crunch Bars, the oats and honey. My daughter loves those, so I got 2 boxes of those. I got some Sun Chips, the garden salsa for her school lunches. These are the s'mores granola bars. She grabs these when she doesn't like have breakfast in the morning. So she'll grab like this and that kind of. And I got the Milano mint chocolate, and then the cheddar jalapeno is, I'm sorry, but it is like the best chips on the planet. I used to be a huge Lay's barbecue fan and thought nothing could beat that, but cheddar jalapeno I'm just addicted to, you guys. I eat this every day with my sandwich and I'm okay with it. I also get the Cheeto Puffs white cheddar. They're a little bit better. There's no artificial preservatives, flavors, and colors. And yeah, I think they're baked or something. I really don't know. And then I got 2 things of cereal, Lucky Charms and Honey Nut. I love that Honey Nut is gluten-free, by the way. And Honey Nut is so delicious. And then skinny pack of the Skinny Pop popcorn. This is for my daughter's school lunches as well. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna get all this put up, and then after this we're gonna go upstairs and put the furniture back into the black and gold room after I just got the carpet cleaned. All right, having a super busy day, so we're gonna do this quickly as well, but I need to get the furniture back in here. As you can see, it's all kind of like in this area. So I'm gonna get this room set up. It smells great. They did an amazing job. They had to treat it with enzymes to kill the bacteria and the odor from Loxy marking her spots in here. And I have everything back in, which really wasn't anything but just that piece and that over there. Loxie's kennel was right in that section, but again, I'm not gonna put anything dog related in this room because I wanna make sure this carpet stays clean. All right, I'm picking up some more things, and I need to go find the stuff for the novel inventory. So I'm just in here for a quick second because I need to go back home and film some videos. All right, so it's been a couple hours, I think, since the Dollar Tree. If there was a Dollar Tree clip, I honestly don't even remember. I did work out a little bit trying to get my lungs back up and my heart rate, you know, back up, just because I've been sick and kind of dormant. So not really, my heart rate hasn't really needed to be up that often. What? My heart rate hasn't been up. You know what I'm trying to say. I need a nap. Making dinner, making some spaghetti, and then probably just relax for the rest of the night. So I'm gonna get some of these dishes done as well, and that's basically all that I have left going on for the day.
Will you hold the line? Every one of them is giving up and giving in. Tell me, in this house,
Alexa, next.